guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you all of the bloopers and funny moments of 2018. Before I get any further in the video, I just wanted to say Happy New Year, Happy 2019 to all of you. 2018 has been an amazing year for me. I've had so much fun on this channel. I've had lots of fun times, lots of laughter, and I've also had some bloopers and funny moments. So I put together a couple of those clips for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I will be posting regularly, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And with that all being said, let's get started.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Alina Crafts. And if you're new to my channel, my name's Alina. So let's get started.
Hey guys, and hey guys, it for today's video. Hey guys, my voice is so weird today. It's like, ugh. And again, I will be posting regularly, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. That was weird. Sorry guys. Hey guys. Because Christmas is right around the corner, I thought it would be really fun to make some Thanksgiving slime. Thanksgiving was a few weeks ago. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be testing out a Crazy Art slime kit. Or not a slime kit. Slime kit. We're going to be reviewing. And for today's video, there's only one person. And for today's video, I keep saying we. There's only one person. I have gotten, and they have I can't say this right. I have gotten slime from Crazy Art in the past, and I really love their company. They do such a good job, and I thought it would be really fun to buy more. You can never have too much slime. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be testing out a Crazy Art slime squishy kit. Why do I keep saying slime? Man, I have so many slime videos, you guys, like. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make two. First I hit 100 subscribers, and now I'm almost at 600. I can't believe how bleh, 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 bleh. If you did, don't forget to give. I just burped. So shaving cream
Third
is, what's the third? Oh yeah.
I was like, this is what I'm excited for.
Remember, is Floam.
There.
That's good. It just sprayed all over.
That is why you have the napkin on your lap.
I have glue all over my shirt.
Wait. Oh! Hey, you got red or jello. I got green, blue, purple.
Wow.
What are the odds of that? Instrument. It's an instrument. Which one was
Tiana! I'm just kidding. I can't even see it. Sorry.
It's totally like splat out. Alina. Dun, dun, dun.
Bye bye.
Sit
down. Sit down.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't know.
kind of like confetti, but it looks delicious. I'm eating it. Wait, what?
Now we're gonna move on to our last bottle. Am I not supposed to eat this? I don't think it's a good idea.
Looking at the borax. Looking at the
Distraction.
borax.
Okay, shaving cream for you. Shaving cream for you. Shaving cream.
Oh, yummy.
Oh, that did not sound good.
Ew. I can't tell. Neither. I'm like.
I'm not good.
Okay, that's. Oh, I have too much. I feel like. It's so. Ew, I have too much, guys. Too much.
Dwindling on time. Don't worry, guys. I'm fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel,
I'm gonna look at
please
your
do
face.
so, Dad.
And then we're ready and rearing and ready to go. Oh, the baby ball of super glue. Okay. So,
I don't know what I'm doing.
testing video. Everyone sit down. Sorry, didn't mean to fight. It's a test video. We're making our slime.
Fine. Okay, now start it.
Just kidding. Okay. I stand up. I'll probably be in it all. Sorry, I fell. And today I have a very special guest. This is Emily, a very good friend of mine. She is from Emily and Crafts. Be sure to leave a link down below. Or I'll do it. Don't worry, you guys don't have to do it. I breathed into it. I am out of borax. I'm gonna use some of yours. No, I need it. Guys, here's round 2 slime.
Beautiful.
I just cracked my container. It's fine. Let's just keep going. We're never gonna get through this. Oh, I already holding it. Okay.
What's your name?
What?
Where do you live?
Right here.
Oh. Make a silly face. Unbelievable!
Hey Mom, I'm gonna grab a snack. Alina!
Why are my arms hurt? I said, why are my arms hurt? Why do my arms hurt? Hey, slime. Ew. This is such a good slime. I'm just kidding. Because we added the shaving cream, it's an amazing slime.
Hers is stretchier.
My hands are dyed with blue food coloring.
Hands are blue!
I just unscrewed it. Wait, where's my bowl?
Bowl.
I think I put here it is.
Okay.
Wait, I love going in. I feel like I have 2 spoons. Ew, a food dye is in my bowl.
What?
A food dye was in my. Alina,
Are you-
did you put this in my bowl?
You feel food coloring in your bowl?
My bowl.
Bowl.
I think I put
Here it is. Yes! It was so
Alina
weird.
sounds guilty.
Oh!
No, I didn't. I don't think I did.
It landed on my foot! It landed on my foot!
Ew. That's
Grace the slime. It's been on her feet.
Okay, let's just like more of this. Look at this. I didn't get any on the bottom. Hashtag goals. Just kidding. That was weird.
That was
Okay,
no.
slime
Don't edit that out.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to be making a giant glitter galaxy slime.
Have 2 paper towels.
I have 3 paper towels. See, let me show you.
Give me the towel.
And in this video we have a very special guest. This is Emily, a very good friend of mine.
Hi.
And today we are going to be doing
3 colors of glue.
She got purple.
Cause I'm just purple!
I'm making mine purple. Because I'm just purple.
What?
Lucky. Oh, mine's perfect.
Okay, let's do this. Oh! I'm sorry, I go all in when I make slime. I go all in.
That's great.
You guys are like, ooh, I have to get that in slow motion. Instant replay. Oh! Bye! See you next week. Okay, that's awesome. That's a wrap.
The wrap cut!
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And again, I will be posting regularly. It may not be every week, it might be every other week. That may vary depending on the month. But I'm so excited to be putting out new content for you guys, and I have a feeling it's going to be a great year. And if you guys would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Bye! See you in the next one!